we're having our first Living Well Health Fair here at the Joe Battle Clinic for Physicians Vascular Services. We have plenty of different specialties here, doing some free blood pressure checks, blood glucose checks, as well as donations for blood donations. People can come here and ask questions to health professionals so that once they can better have an idea of what they need to be doing to prevent any kind of problems.
A mí me gustó mucho el evento. Hemos participado en todas las casillas y nos ha gustado mucho.
I think it benefits the people who, don't have the health insurance, so they can at least know where they're at with their health.
I haven't made it to the food, but I have a feeling that's going to be my favorite. But so far, is all the advice that we're getting on from some of the doctors that we've seen here, and it seems like we're finally going to go to see some doctors we've been putting off for a while.